And the race is on, getting better from the outside by Daryl Arithmetic. Lara Downs Exquisite is on the outside. Key Victory Schematics. Exquisite from the outside. Arithmetic Danori inside, getting better. Is racing in third. Key Victory rushing up Schematics. Lara Downs rounding the far turn. Exquisite by Alan Kenhab, getting better, is now running in second. Arithmetic Victory, Lara Downs and Schematics as they race the final corner. Exquisite. Dial Kenhab getting better, is on the outside. Exquisite getting better, fighting it out for the lead. Exquisite getting better, it's on the outside. Exquisite down on the inside, and finally getting better. Exquisite, Lara Downs, Key Victory, Arithmetic, and Schematics comes last.